Hi family, Johnny here, Director of Instructor Training for Holy Yoga and kind of the leader of the Holy Yoga Therapy Program. I have been so encouraged by these heart opener challenges we've been doing so far this month. They have stretched me, encouraged me, and sought to do exactly what they're doing, which is just draw me closer to Jesus Christ. And I'm so grateful to you guys for that, because it's your posts and your comments that are doing that. So thank you for being a part of it. Thank you for sharing it on your Facebook pages. Thank you for telling your friends and family about this, because that's the best way for us to spread the message. That's the way that he loves to use his people. And it just has been on my heart of Holy Yoga Therapy and what heart opening means and what yoga therapy means. We know the healing power of Jesus Christ. We know the awesome discipline and the healing power of yoga. And when you yoke them together and teach people how to use it as a form of therapy, your students in your classes, it is an amazing heart opener. So I hope you join me for the Holy Yoga Therapy Program. It starts May 7th. We only have a month now until it starts. I cannot believe it. Go to holyyoga.net, register, share it with your friends, share it with your students, and I cannot wait to see you. Thanks for jumping on board with me. It will be a program you will not want to miss.